Let's do the video and recording.
All right, I'm Chris from Ben Senior High School, and this is my electric vehicle project. And some of the components on here and the prices that they cost are, these motors are about $600 each, and we have 6 teams right now. And this controller is another $500. These batteries are about $150 each, and there's 2 of those, one in the front, one in the back. This is our shint, which is about $40, as well as all the metal for building the frame, and the wheels are also a bit spendy, and the seat belts and the seats and everything on here costs money, and we machine as much of it as we can ourselves, but there's only so much we can do.
The students learn quite a bit. Like I said, we do as much as we can machining-wise, manufacturing. We do have to buy a lot of parts, but they pretty much design the car themselves. They start out with a flat piece of wood, build a basic frame in the wood, tack it together, and then just start building up from there. They design their own steering system. This is actually a push-pull system. Actually, to me, it looks like it'd be a lot easier than a steering wheel because you're such a cramped spot, is it?
There's advantages and disadvantages to it. The steering wheel, you get a lot, it's a lot more sensitive than the push-pull. You have to use a lot more effort with the push-pull steering as opposed to the steering wheel. But it does save you a lot of space, especially being able to center your front battery and getting that whole steering column out of the way. Makes it a lot quicker getting in and out of the vehicle, which is one of the restrictions that we have.
Yes, they do have to be out of the vehicle, be able to exit the vehicle in 20 seconds or less in an emergency. There is, basically, you can see they fabricated most of the steering. They fabricated the axles. We actually build all of these components. They're doing a lot of that on the lathe. Got an emergency shut-off switch back here. Each vehicle is required to have one. In case there is an accident, they can cut off the power to the motor. It basically isolates the batteries. I have a local person here in town that's making the seats for us. We've gone through a couple different designs. We want to have something that is comfortable because this is pretty much the only suspension you have besides the tires, and it works pretty well. Needs to be a 5-point harness. It's pretty safety conscious. We have to be able to, if the vehicle were to roll over, all of the student needs to be confined inside the vehicle. So basically we draw a line across the 2 highest points, and all of the student needs to be inside the vehicle. They've done a lot of electrical. They make their own battery cables, all the wiring for the batteries and the controller. We have a throttle switch up there. It's basically an electronic throttle. All of that the students have done all the wiring for, so they're going off of a wiring diagram. Yeah, a lot of fabrication in this, and that's kind of the neat thing about the program is the students are learning so many different skills. A lot of problem solving while they're doing this. I think it's pretty exciting, the opportunities that you have information.
And thank you. Done.
Perfect. When can we expect our Emmy?
We're going to get with YouTube, and you got so many on YouTube. So, gentlemen, I appreciate it.
Thank you.
It takes about a month to get on the website because of our YouTube and the website, because I've got 2 weeks of taking care of family and another 2 weeks to get it processed. So
Okay.
give it about a month. But
Shoot me an email.
I will do that. bshalumni.com is the website.
Okay.
So, appreciate it.
Okay, thank you very much.
Yep. Oh, thank you. Can you say hoorah, Ben High?
What's wrong with him? Has he got the flu or something?
Is he always like that?
No. Usually you can't get him to be quiet.
Oh, kids nowadays.
Yeah.
Gentlemen, thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, are these?
Yeah, we have several of them in the works.
Oh, wow.
So one here, we got one there.
Let me take pictures instead of videos.